Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to change the buy now button in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you have not already. After opening it up, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So log into your Shopify account, after which we can now get started with editing and accessing our store. Here are all the sections we can access, as you can see at the left side screen, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and get started. Basically guys, to go ahead and get started with altering your buy now button, we are going to go ahead and be opening up our online store section right here. Click on your online store and this is going to open up your themes subsection where we can take a look at our themes and start editing them. Basically guys, as you can see right here on the official community Shopify website page, we can see somebody asked the question how to alter the buy it now button, and here we have gotten some results by Shopify partners that have told us what code we have to use. So as you can see, here is a couple of lines of code that we can get started with using. Basically, you want to go ahead and open up the theme.js file. We have a couple of solutions right here. You can go ahead and find this thread for yourself and take a look at all the solutions that people have been putting right here. So you can see online store, go to the themes action and then edit code. So you're going to click the three buttons right here. There's three dots right here, click edit code, and after clicking edit code guys, this is now going to open up this new main page where we can go into the section option of our edit code option and find main product liquid. So here as you can see we have our templates and sections and other sections guys. You can go ahead and find your option right here, after which you can open it up and replace it with the code that they have provided right here. So go ahead and find the code right here on this official thread, find it in Google and start using it for yourself right here to change your button. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.